Well, there's Brett shooting bottle rockets. This is me, Dylan. What we're gonna do today is blow up an airbag. Not only an airbag, a microwave. And it's a Ford airbag. Early mid-90s Ford airbag. Very explosive. So we have it all hooked up here. Just gonna close this door so it can go flying off in a little bit. I gutted everything that I wanted out of it.
You want to close the door completely?
No, it should be okay. And here's my 12-volt power source. Come here for a minute, would you?
Coming.
Hang on to that.
Will do.
So we've got power and ground when I want to. I'm going to blow up that microwave. You want to take a better video? So I have to stand here. Get a good video. Get a picture of the door blowing up.
Oh, the door blowing off?
It should. Ah, that wasn't as good as I hoped.
Yeah.
Oh well. That's no fun. I guess these old birth microwaves are pretty tough. I didn't do much at all. Wish I had another airbag in it. Oh, shattered that.
Holy shit.
Oh well. That was still kind of fun. Not enough carnage.